Artsweary.com presents itself as a trendy online clothing store offering artistic, boho-inspired apparel at affordable prices. But a closer look reveals consistent red flags that raise serious concerns about its legitimacy. While the website is visually appealing and features bold product images, customer reviews across multiple platforms tell a different story. Many buyers report that the items they received looked nothing like the photos shown online, complaining about poor fabric quality, inaccurate sizing, and deceptive product descriptions. For example, what appears to be embroidered or textured detail in images often turns out to be a flat, printed design on thin, synthetic material. Customers also report that sizing is wildly inconsistent, with some items arriving much smaller or larger than expected. The biggest frustration, however, lies in the return and refund process. Numerous reviews state that Artsweary either ignores refund requests or pushes back with offers of partial refunds, store credit, or small discounts on future purchases, rather than honoring their advertised return policy. Even when returns are accepted, customers are often required to cover expensive international shipping costs to return items to warehouses overseas, making the process impractical or financially unreasonable. Scam detection tools and review aggregators like ScamAdvisor have also flagged the site for low trustworthiness, highlighting issues with customer service, transparency, and possible misleading advertising. In short, while Artsweary may not be a full-blown scam in the legal sense, the overwhelming number of dissatisfied customers and reports of misleading practices make it a high-risk store. Shoppers are strongly advised to approach with caution, or better yet, stick to more transparent and well-reviewed retailers. So, is Artsweary worth your money? Based on what we've seen, probably not. If you've had your own experience with this store, good or bad, share it in the comments to help others out. If this video saved you from a bad purchase, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.